Hello students, today I am going to start the median in continuous series. Median in continuous series like class interval 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16 and 16 to 20. And the frequency is 2, 3, 1, 2, 2. Okay, this is a simple question. How will you calculate median? The first thing is you have to calculate CF. CF refers to what? This is cumulative frequency. In cumulative frequency, first 2, then add this 2 plus 3. This will be 5, then 1. Here will be 6, then 2, 8, and here will be 10. Very clear? I think all the students are very much comfortable to calculate the cumulative frequency. Next, median is equal to n by 2. This is the change from individual series and discrete series. In individual and discrete, you have studied m is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 in the individual and discrete series. But in continuous, this is m is equal to n by 2th term. Okay, then what is the n? N is this, the total number of frequency. You will add and the result will be 10. Now 10 upon 2, this is 5th term. Now find out where the 5th term is lie. So 5th term is lie in here. Okay, draw a model box. Then it means what? Then median is in between 4 and 8. So there are so many numbers between 4 to 8. You will say, sir, only four numbers, no? 5, 6, 7, no. 4.1, 4.78, 5.79. There are so many numbers. So you will have to find out that what is the median by this formula. Now m is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I. Then what is L1? This 4 is L1, lower limit, and this 8 is upper limit. Upper limit is L2. So the first L1, that is 4. Then plus n by 2. You have calculated here. So 5. What is the meaning of CF? CF means preceding cumulative frequency. What is the preceding? Preceding means just before. So preceding cumulative frequency is what? That is 2. Then what is frequency? The frequency is 3. That frequency will be considered which is in the class model. Very clear? So here will be 3 into I. I means interval. Interval yani difference. The difference of class interval. So here will be 4. Now calculate 4 plus 5 minus 2 will be 3, then 3 into 4. 3 ones are 3 and 4 plus 1 fours are 4. So the result will be what? The result will be 8. If answer comes less than 4 or more than 8, it means there is some discrepancy or there is some incorrect. Clear? If the answer is between 4 to 8 or 4 and 8, so this is the correct answer. Very clear? Okay. One more question of same type. The first, you have to find out the cumulative frequency. So here will be 3. Then 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Then m is equals to n by 2th term. And what is n? N is the sum of all frequencies. That is 20. So here will be 20 upon 2. So 10th term. Okay. 10 will be lie in this class model. Okay. Maybe some of the students will say, sir, you have make the class model in 12, not 18. As the 10 lie, the first lie in where? 12, na? That's why I have mentioned here. Okay. Then formula is L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I. Then what is L? The answer should be come between 30 and 40. The answer may be 30 or 40 also, but between these figures. If the answer is less than 30, it means answer is incorrect. If the answer is more than 40, that will be the incorrect. L1 is what? 30 plus n by 2, that is 10. CF means what? Preceding cumulative frequency. Preceding, that is 7. Then F, frequency is 5 into I means interval, that is the difference between 30 and 40. So here will be 10. Now 30 plus 3 upon 5 into 10. 5 2s are 10. Here 30 plus 3 2s are 6. So the result will be 36. 36 is between 30 and 40. So this is the correct answer. Okay, very clear? Now the next question. The next question is less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and number of workers. What CF? Number of workers. This is 15, 35, 60, 84, 96, 127, 198 and 250. Okay. In this type of question, first of all you will have to arrange the question in a proper manner. How will you arrange the question? Here is less than 10, then less than 20. So the class interval will be start from where? 5 to 10 or 0 to 10? Yes, this will be start from 0 to 10. Why? The difference of here 10, 20, 30 is what? 10. So 10 minus 10 will be 0. First 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Here is less than 80. So it will be up to 80. Next thing is frequency. How will you calculate frequency? Less than 10. How many students who scored marks less than 10, or how many workers are who earn salary less than 10,000? So here will be 15, only 15 workers are there. Then between 10 and 20, you just deduct from 35 minus 15. It will be what? 35 minus 15. 20 workers are there who get salary between 10,000 to 20,000. Very clear? Or then between 20-30, the difference between 35 and 60. Here will be 25. Then 30-40, the difference of 84 and 60. 24. Next 40 to 50. Here will be 96 minus 84. This will be 12. Next 50 to 60. The difference of this here will be 31. Very clear? Next 60 to 70. 198 minus 27. 71. And the last one 70 to 80. 250 minus 198. Here will be 52. Okay, this is the frequency. Now you have arranged the question in a proper manner. Now calculate cumulative frequency. First 15 plus 20, 35 plus 25, 60 plus 24, 84 plus 12, 96, then 31, 127, then 198, and last 250. Clear? Now calculate the median. M is equal to n by 2th tau. M is what? That is 250. You just add it, you will get 250 upon 2, 125th term. 125 will lie between this class model, and then put the formula. M is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into I. Solve it. What is L1? L1 is 50 plus what is n by 2? This is 1 by 25 minus Cf preceding cumulative frequency. Preceding means 96 upon frequency, this is 31, into I the difference of this here will be 10. Okay. Now I think all the students can find out the answer. 50 plus 125 minus 96. 29 upon 31 into 10. 50 plus 290 divided by 31. Then 50 plus 290 divided by 31. This will be 3 9s are 27 point. I am dividing here in the rough. So this will be 9.35. 9.35. So the result will be 59.35. Any problem? Very clear? Okay. Now the next one. The next question is median in inclusive series. Median in inclusive series, first you will have to arrange it in ascending order and in a standard way. Standard way means here is 11, 15, 16, 20. Now 15 to 16, the series is not in continuous way. Now look here, 11 to 15, then 16 to 20, then where is 15 to 20? No, there is no 15 to 20. So first of all, you will have to arrange it in a proper way. Then how will you arrange? In this question, two problems. The first, the question is in descending order. So first you will have to arrange it in ascending order. How will you arrange in ascending order? Look here. What is the difference between 15 and 16? 15 and 16. The difference is 1. 1 divided by 2 will be what? 0.5. And how will you convert this series into continuous? You will convert like this, minus 0.5 and plus 0.5. Okay, look, 11 minus 0.5 will be 10.52. 15 plus 0.5, so here will be 15.5. Very clear? Next, 16 minus 0.5, so it will be 15.5 minus, sorry, 15.5 to 20.5. Very clear? I am explaining again. How will you convert this inclusive series to a proper way? Here is 11 to 15, then 16 to 20, 21 to 25. There is no continuity. There is a break. After 15, here should be 15 to 20, na? But here is 16 to 20. So the chain is break. How will you connect it? You will have to connect in this way. What is the difference between 15 and 16? or 20 or 21. The difference is 1. I have put here 1. Then this is the difference of two numbers. So divided by 2, you will get 0.5. You just minus 0.5 from L1 and add 0.5 to the L2. This is L1 and this is L2. This is L1, this is L2. Very clear? Now here will be the next one, 21. So here will be 20.5 to 25.5. Then 25.5 to 30.5. 30.5 to 35.5. 35.5 to 40.5. 40.5 to 45.5, and the last will be 45.5 to 50.5. Okay, and what about the frequency? It is very clearly given. Between 11 to 15 there are 7 units, so mention here 7, then 10, then 13, then 26, 35, 22, 11 and 5. Very clear? Now you have a question a very proper way. Now just calculate a median. The first step is what? That is CF, cumulative frequency. So here will be 7, 10, 17, 13, 30, 56, 91, 113, 124, 129. Okay. Calculate the cumulative frequency again. 7, 10, 17, 13, 30, 56, 91, then 213, 9 to 11, 113, 314, 11, 112. Okay. Now M is equal to N upon 2. So this will be 129 upon 2. So here will be 2 6 are 12, 4.5th term, 64.5th term. 64.5 will lie in this class model. Okay, 64.5. So the formula is M is equals to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into I. Okay, put the values. M1 is L1 is what? That is 30.5 plus N by 2. This is 64.5 minus CF. CF is the preceding cumulative frequency, that is 56, upon frequency 35 into I refers to what? The difference of this. So the difference of 35.5 is what? This is 5. Now solve the question. 30.5 plus 64.5 minus 56 will be 8.5. 5 sevens are 35. So here will be 7. Now the result will be 30.5 plus 7 ones are 7, 15. 7 twos are 14 and 1. So 30.5 plus 1.21. Add it. Result will be 31.5271. 31.71. Any doubt to any student? Is this very clear?